Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we help you make informed beauty decisions with confidence. Today, we're talking about a skincare set that promises to tackle some of the most common concerns for acne-prone skin without over-drying or irritating it. If you've been struggling with breakouts, clogged pores, or just want to revitalize your skin's natural barrier, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. Let's dive into the BYOMA So Clear Set, which includes 3 essentials to help soothe, hydrate, and clarify acne-prone skin. The set comes with a creamy jelly cleanser, a clarifying face serum, and a Gel-Cream Moisturizer. Each product is designed to work together to tackle inflammation, unclog pores, and calm active breakouts, all without stripping your skin. Now let's talk about what makes this set stand out. First, it's powered by a triceramide complex, which includes ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, key ingredients to strengthen your skin's barrier and help it retain moisture. We all know how crucial that is when you're dealing with acne-prone skin. When your skin's barrier is intact, it's better equipped to fight off environmental stressors, so you're left with skin that's not only clearer, but also healthier and brighter. The Creamy Jelly Cleanser is soap-free and gentle on the skin. I was impressed by how easily it removed makeup and dirt while leaving my skin feeling hydrated, not stripped. It lathers up into this soft, luxurious texture that feels almost like a spa treatment. Next, we have the Clarifying Face Serum, which targets blemishes and unclogs pores. Now, with acne treatments, I'm always cautious. Some products can leave your skin feeling dry and irritated. But this serum was different. It absorbed quickly, and within a few uses, I noticed that my breakouts started to calm down without any added redness. It's got a nice, lightweight texture that didn't leave a sticky or greasy residue, which I appreciate. And finally, the Gel-Cream Moisturizer. It's perfect for adding that final layer of hydration without weighing your skin down. I noticed a reduction in redness, and my skin felt bouncy and smooth. It's not too heavy, which is important when you're dealing with oily or acne-prone skin, but it still gave my face that healthy, hydrated glow. When it comes to pros, this set is definitely gentle enough for daily use. No harsh fragrances, no alcohol, and no added fillers that can clog pores. The combination of hydrating and clarifying ingredients makes it suitable for all skin types, and I can see how it would be especially beneficial for those with more sensitive or acne-prone skin. On the flip side, one potential con could be the size of the products. While it's great for testing the products out, if you love the set, you may find yourself needing to repurchase sooner than you'd like. But considering how well the products perform, I think it's worth it for those looking for quality acne treatment that doesn't strip the skin. Now, is this set worth the price? In my opinion, yes. The ingredients are top-notch and the performance is impressive, especially for acne-prone skin. The fact that it's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and non-comedogenic puts it in a solid category for those who want to avoid common irritants in skincare. Plus, the inclusion of ceramides to help strengthen your skin barrier is a big win. If you've tried other acne-focused skincare that left you feeling dry or irritated, this set is a refreshing change. If you're on a budget and looking for similar alternatives, you might want to check out options like CeraVe's Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser or Neutrogena's Oil-Free Acne Stress Control. These are also gentle yet effective acne treatments that don't break the bank. However, the inclusion of the ceramide complex in the BYOMA set definitely sets it apart in terms of long-term skin health. In terms of build quality and longevity, the packaging of the BYOMA set is simple yet functional. The tubes are small, which makes them great for travel, but if you're using them every day, you may find yourself needing to repurchase after a month or so. As far as effectiveness, I can say that after about 2 weeks of consistent use, I saw visible improvement in my skin's clarity and smoothness. So who would I recommend this set for? If you have acne-prone skin, especially if your skin is also sensitive or easily irritated, I think this set could be a game changer for you. It's gentle, yet effective, and I love how it balances acne-fighting ingredients with barrier-boosting hydration. If this review has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, The link is in the comments below. Have you used the BYOMA So Clear Set? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.